Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System taking place on Monday, 3rd March at English Base Camp. Center number EBC007. The candidate is Tonima Rahman and the candidate number is 2301001. The examiner is Khadija. Examiner number 433816. Can you please tell me your full name?
Well, my full name is Tonima Rahman. You can call me Tonima
Okay.
by my first name.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yeah, sure.
Well, in the first part of the interview, I am going to ask you some questions about yourself. Okay, let's talk about yourself. Are you a student or do you work now?
Well, I do both because I am doing business and as well as I'm doing IELTS for my pursuing my second master's abroad. So yeah, I do both.
So, you do business?
Yes. I do
Okay.
business.
So, why did you choose this job?
Well, I think business is the easiest for schedule my time for, because sometimes the job is they maintain, or I have to maintain the right time. So I think it's difficult for my job. That's why I choose business.
Talk about your daily routine.
Well, I usually get up 7:30 in the morning. Then I freshen myself and make breakfast for me and for my family. And after that, I go my boutique house. As I mentioned earlier, I do business, so I have boutique house. So I go there and spend my times for afternoon. And after that, I back my home, and uh, uh, I do cooking, and I then after that I complete my others work. So, and I usually go bed for 11 p.m.
Okay. Is there anything about your job you would like to change?
Okay, well, I think I'm thinking to change my boutique house decoration if I get opportunities.
Who does most of the shopping in your household?
Well, I most of the time I do shopping in my house, because I am the only person to pursue or buy everything, and because there is only person, and there are no person another to maintain my household shopping, and for me also.
What type of shopping do you like to do?
Well, I like to, most of the time I like shopping dresses, clothes, and jewelry and shoes.
Is shopping a popular activity in your country?
Yes, in my countries, shopping is definitely popular, because most of the people like to shopping and like shopping for themselves. So I think the shopping is the most popular activities in my countries.
What type of shops do teenagers like based in your country?
Well, teenagers usually like to prefer to buy themselves for dresses, and also shoes, or smartphones, and also some headphones, I think. Yeah.
Now I am going to give you a topic and you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say and you can make some notes to help you if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, understood.
Okay, so there is your paper.
Yeah, thank you.
And there is your topic. Now you have 1 minute to take some notes. Okay, your time is up. So I would like you to describe a historical figure who inspired you. You should say who the person is, what they are famous for, why they inspire you, how their contributions impact the world. You will have 2 minutes to talk about it. And don't worry if I stop you. So your time starts now.
So there are some historical figure here in our country. Among them, I would like to talk about a historical figure, a person who is Dr. Muhammad Yunus. So he is the founder of Grameen Bank, and he is actually famous for his this creativity and this foundation for Grameen Bank, and not only in here in Bangladesh, but also he is famous for this Grameen Bank all over the world. So, so it is it is the miracle creation for the many persons. Okay, he got his Nobel Prize in 2006 for his for Grameen Bank, and not only for Grameen Bank he got Nobel Prize, but also he contribution for our environment, because he created three zeros function, which is to reduce the environmental problem, and he is now our interim government here in Bangladesh. So, and he is different from another person, because his ethical thinking is rising him. That's why I choose to him to as a person. So as a historical figure here in my country.
Okay, thank you for your answer. You have been telling me about historical figures. Now, in the final 5 minutes of the test, I would like to ask you some more general questions that are related to this. Why do people like to learn about historical figures?
There are some reasons to learn historical figures. For example, they can learn something and earn some knowledge, and they can gather some important knowledge and values from them.
Do you think history should focus more on famous individuals or ordinary people?
Well, I think in some cases, people should remain their figure, and also some ordinary people, because historical figure and famous person contribution for their nation, but we cannot completely ignore for the ordinary people for their contribution.